Welcome to my channel. So what your boy have right here, I have some beef neck bones that I'm put together and smoked ham hocks. But you know I can't leave out my good best friend, you know what I'm talking about? Them good black eyed peas right there soaking. They've been soaking for a couple hours now. So what I'm finna do now, I'm finna go ahead and transfer all this into this right here. Put some water in there and let it soak in regular vinegar for an hour. And then once it's soaked in regular vinegar, I'm gonna rinse it real good. Then we'll get to it. So I'll be back. We'll go ahead and make it happen. You know what I mean? This good Thursday. You hear me? Your boy is here again. Right here in this good kitchen of mine with some soul food. And I'll be back. So here we go right here. I rinsed everything, let it soak in vinegar for 2 hours. You know what I mean? Rinsed it all. You know, that's me some parsley in there. So I'm just gonna do herbs for right now. I got the chives, the chopped chives. They put in there. Wanna herb it on up, you know what I'm talking about? Got the little seasoning, onion seasoning. You can't really see it because it's a little smoke, but I'm hitting it with this onion seasoning. Some rosemary, some crushed rosemary. Oh, all right. What else I want to hit it with? Let me see. Some paprika. I gotta get some more of that. I don't know. I might got another one somewhere around here. Got my black eyed peas on. You know what I mean? Then another thing I want to put in there is some bay leaf. You know what I mean? So I grab about that many right there. Like 4 whole bay leaves. Boom. You know what I mean? I also have my apple cider vinegar. Boom. Right there. So let me see, what else do I need? Put some of this more of this onion in there, because it seems like I want to shake out for your boy. So, well, there we go right there with that. Let me see, what else do I want to put in there? All right, some lemon pepper. Let's see which one of these is open. One of them is open. Yeah. What's this? Yeah, lemon pepper right here. Boom. All right, so we got some lemon pepper right here. Boom. Season that bad boy up with some lemon pepper. And that's it right there. You know what I mean? So now what I'm finna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and close this parsley. Close this up real quick. So you don't want to have your stove up too high. You want them to get a, you know what I mean, get a nice cook. You know, you want to let it take its time cooking. You know what I mean? So the ham hocks gonna take longer than the neck bones. So what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna put these neck bones in here for right now. And then probably like an hour and a half later, I'm gonna take the neck bones out. And then I'm gonna throw them in there with the beans. Cause I'm gonna let my beans cook slow. And then that's when we'll start the seasoning, the real seasoning, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'll be putting these bad boys in there, you know what I mean? Neck bones don't got too much meat on them. Not really. But it's cool, something, you know what I mean? So that's them good beef neck bones. So, wash that. Now it's gotta add some more water. to this right here. Yes, sir. That's how your boy doing it. Got that good soul food going on. That's how we looking. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil in there also. Probably like a cap full, like 2 caps full of vegetable oil. That helps it from sticking to the bottom. You know what I mean? A little more water. Oh, there we go right there. So that's about that much water right there, you know what I mean? Just let it do its thing. I'm gonna have it on 6. Let it do its thing on 6. I'm put 2 cups full of vegetable oil right there. Boop. And put a top on these bad boys. Just let them cook slow. I'm gonna have my beans, my black eyed peas. I'm gonna put that on like a 2 or something like that. I got it on a I have it on a 3, but I'm putting it on 2. And just let it just cook real slow. You know what I mean? So it can come out nice and right. And you know your boy gotta have that good jiffy cornbread. You hear me? I got to. So that's what I'm doing right now. I was thinking about putting an onion in there. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put an onion in the matter of fact, I'm gonna put an onion and the black eyed peas. That's what I'm gonna do with the black eyed peas. I'm gonna cut up an onion right now, put them in there, and then I'm gonna put my timer in, and we'll come check back on this in probably like another hour and a half, and I'll be back. Go right here. We got 2 hours of boiling. I still got my ham hocks in here boiling. They taking a little longer for them ham hocks to do its thing. So now we fix to season this meat right here. So what I want to do, I'm gonna hit it with some of this blackened seasoning. Okay, that's that good blackened seasoning right there. Boom. Some black pepper. And with this good black pepper right here. Boom. Okay. Yes, sir. So now what I want to do now is I'm gonna take my cup right here, boom, my little measuring cup, and I'm gonna do let me see. This is a what is it? Tablespoon? Yeah, a tablespoon cornstarch. That's 1 tablespoon. Boom. That's 2. Okay. I say 1 more won't hurt. You know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do now, because I want it to cook a little longer in the oven on 400. This right here. It's already like falling off the bone, but I just want to, you know what I mean? I want to thicken the gravy. Well, the juice is up anyway. I want to thicken it so everything can just come together just right. All right, so I'll grab a fork. Boom. Just stir this boy. Mix this cornstarch with the water. Come on, baby. Start moving around. Okay. Instead of using flour, you know what I mean, it's better with the cornstarch for this right here anyway. So you just want to mix it real good. Just like that there. Alright. So it's mixed with the water. So now you just want to pour it in there. Pour that bad boy in there. Just like that. Boom. You know what I mean? Just like that there. Okay. So Now I'm supposed to hit it with some of this Tony's seasoning. Good Creole seasoning, you know what I mean? Gotta keep it like that there. So boom. There we go. That's how we looking. You know what I mean? All that's gonna melt down. You know, juices go hit them juice. It's gonna make its own little flavor. All that good stuff. You know what I'm talking about? The black eyed peas. It's already I ain't gonna show the black eyed peas until I put it on the plate. You know what I mean? So that's how we looking right there. That's them beef neck bones right there. Boom. So your boy fits to go ahead and put this bad boy in the oven and continue letting this boil. The ham hocks, there's only 2 of them in there. One for me, one for my wife. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm doing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all back on my oven. My oven just beeped, let me know it's ready. So I'm putting it in the oven for probably about an hour. And I'll be back with this good soul food. You hear me? You know what I'm talking about? This, here we go right here. You know what I mean? That's them good neck bones. You know, it's kind of like tilted a little bit. So we hold on. You know, neck bones don't really got that much meat on there, especially beef neck bones. So boom, let's see if we can get a clear one. Hold on. That's what I'm talking about. Nothing stuck to the thing. Let's see. Well, it's falling off the bone, as you can see. Let's get a little clearer. No, but I don't know. I guess it might look better on the plate. You know what I'm talking about. See, that's that juice right there. You know, it thickened up with the starch. You know what I mean? Now you can't really see it because it's still doing its thing. But hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, this look good. You know what I mean? I think I'll get a high five for this. You hear me? A nice high five. Oh, there we go. We're getting a little clear now. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna grab one of these bad boys. Okay. So this one of the naked bones right here. I'm gonna introduce family and friends to this naked bone first. You know what I'm talking about? Look, it's all alone. No covers, no clothes, nothing. You hear me? So now, boom, look at that there. You know what I mean? Some good neck bones right there, you know. Oh, see, look, it's falling off the bone. Look, watch this. See that little piece that fell? You know what I mean? It's falling off the bone, you know. That's a good thing. You know what I'm talking about? Look, bone, neck bone. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. So, you know, your boy had to do some good soul food for us. You know what I mean? The black eyed peas, all that good stuff. Here go the ham hocks right here. You know what I mean? Ham hock. It's already ready. Look, wobble, 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 wobble. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? Oh, see, it's look. See, that's falling apart. See, I don't want it to do that. But look, there I go right there. Nice ham hock. Bam. So your boy is in his kitchen doing his thizzle. You know what I mean? I'm doing my thing for real in this kitchen. Yes, sir. So what I'm finna do now, I'm waiting for my cornbread to finish doing what it's doing. You know what I mean? So the cornbread will be finished in a few. So here we go right here. You know what I mean? Them black eyed peas. That ham hock right there with the neck bones. And that good jiffy cornbread. You know what I'm talking about? You know I have to hit it with that sugar a little bit. You hear me? So your boy made it happen. You know what I mean? Soul food. For real. Not this plate, but the next one, I eat with y'all. You know what I mean? I eat with family and friends. I just want to eat, get my hair took down, wash, all that good stuff. You know what I mean? But I had to, you know, keep these videos coming. You know? It's 2021. Man, we got to make it happen. You know what I'm talking about? So I got to keep these recipes going, you know. My good family and friends said keep them videos coming. And yes, sir, I'm coming with them. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Everybody, I'm making it happen right here in my good kitchen. You hear me? So that's that good soul food right there. Your boy made it happen. Aced it, knocked it out the box. All that good stuff. I had a good time filming with y'all. And for the new people that, you know what I mean, just joined the family, appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. You know what I mean? Videos coming. Fire. All the good stuff. You hear me? I'm doing it. So stay tuned. Share my videos. You know what I mean? Tell family and friends. You hear me? Because everybody let it eat. And your boy making it happen in this kitchen. For real. Them videos will tell you. It'll show you. I'm doing my thizzle. So I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell. All notifications. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless.